Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be looking at the benefits that you can get from drinking blue butterfly pea flower tea. And we're not going to waste any time today, guys. So let's jump right into the video. So guys, this tea is called the blue butterfly pea flower tea, right? And it comes from this flower, which is called the butterfly pea flower. And the butterfly pea flower comes from this plant, which is commonly referred to as the butterfly pea plant. However, it does have other common names, Some people call it Asian pigeon wings, and there's also bluebell vine and other common names. The scientific name for it is Clitoria Ternatea, and the family is called Fabaceae, which is the same thing as the legume family, and the genus is called Clitoria. Do you have any idea why you think the plant would have been given the name Clitoria? Please let us know in the comment section. So the origin of butterfly pea is somewhere in Asia. However, it can be found growing in the Caribbean, other parts of the Americas, and in other countries around the globe, right? The flower tends to be dark blue, but it can also be white and various blue and white shades in between. There is another flower that really resembles butterfly pea, and you're looking at that flower right now. In Jamaica, this flower is commonly called pom-pom flower. For those who don't know, the name pom-pom is used by some Jamaicans to commonly refer to the female genitals. So this flower was given the name pom-pom for obvious reasons. Now, in other countries, people commonly refer to this flower as spurred butterfly pea. There's also wild blue vine and bluebell, among other common names. But the scientific name is Centrosema virginianum, and it's from the same plant family as butterfly pea, so that would be the Fabaceae plant family, but the genus is called Centrosema. People oftentimes think, though, that the pom-pom flower is the same as the butterfly pea flower, but as you can see, they are not, because they're from different genuses. And if you were to take a closer look at the two plants, apart from the color differences with their flowers, you realize that there are other differences, So both plants are twining vines. Centrosema virginianum tends to grow wildly, and it loves to wrap itself closely around other plants. And it has leaves that have leaflets that are trifoliolate. So that means that they come in threes. It also bears small green pods that have seeds, right? The butterfly pea tends to spread itself more densely, and the leaves have 5 to 7 leaflets, and this vine also has pods, and the flowers are edible, and people use the plant as an ornamental plant, and they also use it in traditional medicine. Centrosema virginianum, on the other hand, is not a plant that is traditionally used as an ornamental plant, and if it has edible uses or medicinal uses, then that is something that is not widely known. It promotes weight loss. It has antioxidant properties. It can help to regulate blood sugar levels. It's a stress and anxiety reliever. It promotes good sleep. It can prevent premature aging. It could help to prevent cancer. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It can improve your eyesight. It can detoxify the body. And it can promote hair growth as well as healthy skin. To make 1 cup of blue butterfly pea flower tea, all you need to do is boil about half a cup of butterfly pea flower petals in about 1.5 cups of water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you just strain the mixture and add some honey to it. You can also have this drink cold as well. Some people also add other ingredients to this tea which can change the pH level and cause it to change color as well. There are no known side effects of this tea, and so it is known to be extremely safe and healthy to consume, but overconsumption of it could cause nausea and diarrhea. Also, pregnant and lactating women are advised to consult with their doctor before drinking this tea. Okay guys, if you would like to take a look at some butterfly pea flower tea brands, I've included a link to an Amazon page in the description below. You can take a look, and if you decide to purchase any of these items, I will receive a small commission, but it will be of no extra cost to you. Medical disclaimer. The information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.